What's up, people? Today I'm going to be unboxing a new camera just for you. Let's hope it's not just a Chinese knockoff. Let's crack into it. Woo! This does look good. Okay, let's... Whoa. Whoa. Okay. It's got its own little package. Instructions. No boy needs instructions. Okay. Oh, that was satisfying. Yoink. Okay. Looks good. It's a nice case there. Pockets on the inside. Oh, there's more. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Cables. What's this? I'm not sure what that is exactly. The fluffy pieces. Or, I don't know what it is. I'm thinking this is the mic. Yeah, this is the mic. It's absolutely tiny. Oh. I've got the mic done. Right, it's like a little pet. Yeah. It came in this tiny thing. I was really impressed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It took a while to get set up, but on to the next thing. Let's get this ready. It looks good. It's got good packaging. Yeah, oops. Ages 16 plus. Oh, busted. Okay, so got a problem with this one as well. Good packaging, let's just say that. Okay, so yeah, we might come back to this later. I'll see you when it's open. Okay, so I've just opened the packaging. Well, kind of. I've just popped it open. Oops, oh, that's not meant to happen. Uh-oh, I opened it the wrong way. Oh well. Okay, so what's that? Oh, that smells brand new. Okay. Scan the QR code before first use. I'll do that later. Oof. Look at that. We've got a couple of dry bags. So I might just keep that there. Okay, so I'm going to open this packet first. It's the propellers, DJI stickers. Don't know what that is. Marketing adverts these days. Oh. Yeah, I don't need that. What's all this junk? Safety guides.
think you may need those.
Quick start guide, that's what I want. Okay, and that's a screwdriver. Okay, so I'm going to pop right onto the next thing. It's going to be the controller. Cool, I'm buzzing. Yoink. Okay. That looks good. What are these buttons? It's kind of like a PS5 controller. Pew, pew. Except if you do crash it, you actually do break something. Now we've got the actual drone. Oh, that looks good.
Looks like a submarine sort of thing.
Yeah. Okay, so it's looking good. And take off the cover. Whoops. I'm guessing, hopefully that's the right thing to do. That looks good. Oh, but that's why it was upside down. I didn't see that. Oh, look at that. It's massive. Well, not massive. Could be bigger, but yeah. It all looks good, and I think I've got everything. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so the controller's looking good. Whoa. That's one. Oh shoot, I almost dropped that. That wouldn't be good. Looks good. Oh. Hello guys, I've got the drone out here. It's all connected. I'm about to take it up. It's pretty windy, as you can tell by the trees. But yeah, we're gonna give it a shot.
Home point updated.
Okay.
Take off.
Come a bit closer.
Home point updated.
Over the pool. So if I send it out into distance, this is it on high speed first. It's really fast.
Rapid, isn't it?
If you look at the screen here, there's us.
Hey.
That's how you change the mode on it, normal mode. So this is up and down. Yeah. Okay. There's a mini map on the bottom.
Mhm.
Yeah. Wind speed. And there's all the camera options. You've also got video and camera. So yeah. It's also got these things in the back at the back where you do that, it's zoom.
Which one's a zoom?
Um,
That one's zoom. Yeah. What's the other one do?
up and down.
Oh.